Matapos ang trahedya sa Vancouver, isang pagtitipon sa Burnaby para sa taunang Pinoy Festival. Pero ang tema ngayong taon, We Rise o Pagbangon. Isang pag-alala sa mga apektado ng trahedya noong Lapu-Lapu Day at pagbigay-pugay sa katatagan ng mga Pilipino sa Canada. May report si Pat Fernandez.
Ngayong Filipino Heritage Month, pinagdidirwang dito sa British Columbia ang Pinoy Festival. Ito ang pinakamalaking pagtitipon ng komunidad matapos ang malagim na trahedya nitong Abril sa Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party.
Now we have to rise up and move forward and honor the memories of those who were affected by the Lapu-Lapu incident. So it's just about, this celebration is all about healing celebration, like we rise up. So other communities are in solidarity with the Filipino community in rising up.
It is an act of courage for a lot of people to come out to a big public festival again, especially for those people who were at the Lapu-Lapu festival. And what I'm seeing here is the resilience of the Filipino community. This is a community that loves to gather and celebrate and eat and listen to music and sing, and we can't let one person deny them that and deny our whole community that.
It's not even 2 months, and I think that's why events like this here, I'm so happy. The organizers have brought the community together, and we see so much celebration.
I think it's something that has to be done within a community and as a community. Kaya ito yung nakita natin, no, na isang napakagandang paraan to try to gain strength from each other.
Pagpapatuloy at pagbangon matapos ang trahedya, yan daw ang nais ng organizers. Anila nagluluksaman, ramdam daw ng komunidad ang kapangyarihan ng pagmamalasakit at pagkakaisa. Sa pagdiriwang Sabado, bida ang yaman ng kulturang Pilipino.
To be more united, to be supporting each other, na kahit na nangyari yon, we can still be all together and we can still celebrate Filipino culture.
Kanina umaga naisip ko siya kasi parang delikado. Pero minsan lang to, once a year, so why not, right?
Ito mo naman yung security, di ba? Sobrang higpit nila ngayon. Sa kami, sa Pinoy Pride Vancouver Society, meron kaming meron kaming tent doon na ang tawag namin ay tahanan natin. So para sa mga gusto ng makipag-connect, a safe place to connect, and we have some art activities and magkwentuhan lang. We need this kasi we need to uplift each other.
May parada, kantahan at sayawan. Isa sa mga host ng opening ceremony ang ating kasamang si Rhea Santos.
Are your dancing shoes ready? Siyempre, hindi nawawala yan sa mga Pilipino.
Bukod dito, siyempre di mawawala ang pagkaing Pilipino.
Lumpia are really good. See if we can find that.
Barbecue, of course, right there.
Sisig.
Sa Pampangas, yes. Barbecue is the best.
Yung hotdog po, kasi dito sa Canada, di ba, parang bihira yung red hotdog and barbecue. Yun yung mga namimiss namin way back from Philippines.
Barbecue kasi masarap siya, and yung liempo.
Naamoy namin siya from afar, and then nakita namin, wow, may nagba-barbecue, mukhang masarap. So napupunta kami dito. Sakto, walang pila kanina.
Ano po yung pinilahan niyo today? Empanada.
Empanada. Kayo po?
Carioca, tsaka syempre barbecue. Iba yung Filipino barbecue talaga.
Mula rito sa Pinoy Festival 2025, kasama ang komunidad, Pat Fernandez, Omni News Burnaby.